Hi, this is Jane. Welcome to my kitchen. Have I got a quick and easy recipe for you for entertaining or just snacking? It's called corn and pepper dip. All we're gonna do is add mayonnaise, we're gonna add sour cream, now I'm gonna add garlic and onion powder. Okay, next I'm gonna add some jalapeno pepper. And then I've got a variety of peppers. I've got red, yellow, orange, green. Now, if there's a pepper you don't like, let's say green pepper, you don't have to add it. Okay, and we mix that all together. And our last ingredient, or second to last ingredient, is our corn. And this happens to be a white corn, but you can use regular corn. And then I'm gonna add the cheese. And all you have to do is mix all together. Now that I have it all mixed up, it's ready to go. Just serve it on crackers. Now make sure to check out this recipe along with others on celebratemore.com/Jane's Recipe. Enjoy, and we'll see you soon.